What's up everybody, welcome back to lesson number 6, and in this tutorial we're going to be connecting our Memberpress with Stripe payment gateway to accept credit card payments. Stripe is probably the most often used payment gateway. The second one is probably PayPal, but we're just going to be using Stripe in this lesson. So to do that you have to go to Memberpress in your admin dashboard and go to options. So once you're on the options page, you just go to payments, and we're going to add a new payment. We're just going to call it Stripe, or let's say pay with credit card. The gateway we're going to be using is Stripe, and we're going to be using a test mode for now. This is so when you're just testing your application, you want to make sure the payments work, but you obviously don't want to pay real money. You're going to have to use the test mode. So Stripe will kind of simulate the payment, but not using real data. And once you're ready to go live, you just simply have to uncheck this test mode box and update options, and you should be good to go. Pay with credit card. I don't know why it disappeared, so let me just click on update options. Okay, so it requires me to actually go to Stripe and log in. Okay, so let's just select Stripe, say pay with credit card. Select test mode and click on connect with Stripe. Now it will ask you to log into your Memberpress if you're not logged in, but once you're there, just you can create like a Stripe account using this form in here, fill in all the data, or you can just if you have a Stripe account, there is this little notice that says already have a Stripe account, just sign in. So I'm just going to sign into my Stripe account, and click on the button. It should send me a code to insert here. So yeah, let's just input it. 052, sign in, and basically you should be good to go right now after you've signed in. So now as you can see, it says that your website is connected. And so yeah, if I go to, just to make sure, if I go to my Stripe account, I just go to dashboard, go to developers. It says that I need to review some details, but don't worry about that. And I believe if I go to what was that, API keys, no. Alright, so it should be good to go. You in test data. Yeah, you can basically, if you're using Stripe in test mode, you're going to have to check this checkbox to view the test data. If you're, let's say, to connect Stripe to another service that requires your keys, your test keys, but if you want to then go live and use real payments, you just going to have to uncheck this box. So I'm just going to leave it checked for now. I don't believe it's required to make sure Memberpress works in test mode, but just as a precautious kind of thing, I'm just going to leave it here. So let me just close Stripe and let me go to memberships, membership. Just go to this copy link address, or even, you know what, open link in incognito mode. And one trick that I have is that I use this service called temp mail for like temporary emails. So I'm just going to generate a temporary email and try to register for the membership. Alright, so if I just copy it here and paste it here, I have an email. I just call this user John Doe, and let's just create a password for him. And so yeah, name on the card is we're going to say John Doe. And here is a cool thing. Stripe has some like test credit cards, so you can use this credit card number, which is 424242 all the way. Just put in some random data in here, and it's going to have to work. Now let me just make sure I accept the terms of service and privacy policy and click on sign up, and just give it a little bit of time to process the payment, and I believe we should be good to go. So it says thank you. So our thank you page doesn't have anything except for thank you. So, and as you can see, I've received a payment receipt from my website. Oops, I hope the email hasn't been deleted. Give it a second. Yeah, and it says welcome. So you can log in here, but by default Memberpress will automatically log you in after you register successfully. So yeah, if I go to my account, oh, it's not working for now. Let's just go like this, proceed. Yeah, so as you can see now, I have my account details in here, subscriptions. Yeah, I can just cancel my subscription or update it, see my payments, and basically, yeah, log out. So once on that notice, let me just quickly change the fix the issue with the menu item. I'm going to remove this one and just select the account page and click on add to menu, save menu, and I just click on account again. Should be good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments area below, and in the next one we're going to be styling login and registration pages for our membership area. So thanks.